Now we'll go over virtual machines. You can think of a virtual machine as a computer inside your computer. These are not used in web dev as much. Basically, all the cloud providers give a VM. It behaves like a server. We use them, but we don't really need to know how they work. In general, as a web developer, you want to stay away from hardware. Two example providers of virtual machines, the most common is going to be VirtualBox. A cloud provider is Azure. So, as you can see, point proven, right? VirtualBox is down for maintenance. So if you want to actually work with VirtualBox here, you can go to their product website and you can download the VM and you can get started with that. However, as a web developer, it's not something you need to be terribly focused on. All right, another one is Azure. So we'll take a look at Azure briefly. Azure is a cloud provider. They provide virtual machines. These virtual machines allow you to create Linux and Windows machines in the cloud. As you said, it's just a computer inside of a computer. These are not used in web development as much. We essentially use them to save code and run a server. So why do I care? A virtual machine is a compute resource that use software instead of a physical computer to run programs and deploy apps. What do I need? A virtual machine of your choice, Microsoft Azure, and supporting documentation. How do I do it? We can go through these set of steps here to get started with a virtual machine. After you've completed that, you can go through the process, check your machine, and you'll have a machine that is virtualized and allows you to run software. Now you try.